towards tomorrow, windy day.
Yeah, the wind's going to pick up. Cold front's going to come in tomorrow morning, and behind that front, we will have some strong wind gusts that will clear us out, however, so we will see some sunshine, but be prepared for the wind. Could have a few gusts up to 40, maybe 50 miles per hour across the northern portions of the region. Certified meteorologist Brandon Woolley will get a look at that in just a second, but also keeping an eye on potential record warmth as we head toward Christmas Day. Now, we'll keep temperatures above average as we head through the weekend, nothing at record levels, but for the most part, ranging from mid-50s to maybe even mid-60s as we head into Saturday. And then beyond that, that 6 to 10 day time frame, you can see a lot of the country very likely to be above average temperature-wise, and that will take us through Christmas Day. And as far as precipitation goes, more than likely below average with above average precipitation as you head out to the Mountain West and out to the Pacific coast. But we need some rainfall, and as mentioned, certified meteorologist Brandon Woolley looking at some of the rain or lack thereof so far this month and that potential record warmth into Christmas Day. Brandon?
Well, Michael, we definitely need some moisture across the area. So far this month, just 0.01 inches, and that was from a trace of snow. Again, earlier this month, officially at the Tulsa International Airport, the average month to date is so much higher at 1.38 inches. Now, in terms of that fire danger coming in tomorrow, far northern Oklahoma and southeast Kansas under a critical status there because of gusty winds, possibly upwards of 50 in throughout Kansas, and the relative humidity down to between about 15 and 30%, and of course the lack of moisture over the past several weeks. And so again, we're talking about those temperatures increasing next week. We could be looking at tying or breaking the record high temperature around Christmas Day. Michael?
Yeah, and that Christmas Day high temperature, a record high temperature of 73, that's a very reachable record high for the month of December. So we'll see how that plays out going into next week. Here's what it looks like right now from Brookside back toward downtown on the Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. You can see the overcast skies that we've got. Somebody might pick up a shower overnight tonight into tomorrow morning across eastern portions of the region. Probably going to stay dry in Tulsa. 60 degrees right now. We made it up to 65 this afternoon. Did get a little warmer than what we were initially anticipating because the sun held on just a little longer and really gave us a beautiful day. You can see some of the precipitation falling out of the clouds but not making it to the ground here as you head into parts of Cherokee County and Adair County, but there could be a few sprinkles, maybe a couple showers get going here overnight tonight into very early tomorrow morning. It's not going to be a big deal, not going to amount to a whole lot, but it's possible here, especially as you get along and east of Highway 69. And then a cold front will come sweeping through tomorrow morning. That'll bring more showers mostly to our east, and then all that's going to push off to the east, and we will clear out behind this front. Now, temperatures tomorrow morning will range from 40s to the north and west to more 50s as you go to the south and east, and then gusty winds behind that front, as Brandon was pointing out, and those temperatures tomorrow going to hold in the 50s to the northwest, and more than likely still some 60s for those of you to the south and east. Cold start on Friday morning, lows below freezing with many spots dropping below 30, and then we'll warm it back up into the 50s for Friday afternoon. Breaking that down as we head here into Friday, temperature-wise, we'll see those numbers warming up, or I should say Thursday, we'll see those temperatures warming back up into the upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Again, hold on to the hats tomorrow. It will be somewhat breezy. There's our 60s on Saturday, but it's next week, that stretch of 70-degree weather through the middle and end of next week and that potential record high Christmas Day.
Talking about potential record highs on Christmas. Michael, what are we doing?
Don't like that.
What
Don't
are
like
we
that.
doing?
I think it's time for a pool party for Santa.
I blamed Brandon yesterday. We can blame Michael today. There we go. That's what we'll do.